Welcome. In this video, we'll cover how to power your Tesla Model X on and off, including screen reboots and full system shutdowns. The Model X uses a fully electric architecture and relies heavily on software for power management. Understanding these procedures ensures smooth operation and helps troubleshoot common issues. To power on your Model X, first ensure the vehicle is in park. Press the brake pedal. This activates the system. Alternatively, tap the drive icon on the touchscreen when parked. You can also use the Tesla app for remote start. This initiates both the 12-volt auxiliary battery and the main battery pack. The Model X automatically enters a low-power sleep mode after 15 to 30 minutes of inactivity in park with the doors locked. To manually shut down, shift to park, select Power Off from the touchscreen menu, or hold the power button on the steering column for 2 to 3 seconds. This prevents battery drain while allowing features like Sentry Mode to remain active if enabled. If your infotainment screen freezes or glitches, you can reboot it by holding the scroll wheel buttons on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. This is a soft reset that clears temporary issues without affecting the car's driving systems. Avoid doing this while driving. Tesla's mobile app enables remote control of your Model X, with enhanced security features added in recent updates. You can start your vehicle remotely through the app by tapping the drive icon or using the brake pedal simulation. The app also allows you to monitor your battery status in real time, showing charge percentage, remaining range, and charging details like power draw and time to full. For troubleshooting, you can initiate screen reboots remotely through the app, which clears temporary glitches without needing to be near the vehicle. This feature has improved reliability with the latest software updates. All remote features are protected by enhanced security measures, ensuring safe and convenient access to your Model X from anywhere. Screen reboots are a common issue reported by Tesla Model X owners, often caused by software glitches, particularly in models running older firmware versions. These glitches can lead to unexpected screen freezes or reboots, affecting the infotainment system. According to Tesla's 2025 owner survey, about 12% of users experience monthly reboots, though this has decreased from previous years. Tesla service centers recommend against performing forced reboots unless absolutely necessary, as they can interrupt the vehicle's systems. Instead, rely on over-the-air software updates, which have resolved 99% of reported issues in 2024. If problems persist despite updates, it's best to schedule a service appointment at a Tesla service center, where technicians can diagnose and repair any underlying issues. Keep your Tesla software updated to minimize issues. Over-the-air updates often include patches that resolve power-related bugs. Future trends include greater AI integration for predictive power management and enhanced cybersecurity to protect remote power features. Always refer to your vehicle's touchscreen or the Tesla app for model-specific instructions. Thanks for watching.